All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button and to let me know by doing so that you watch this video. It helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know that you appreciate the time and effort I put into these videos. And right before we jump into this chart analysis, I want to share with you guys the 3 ticker symbols. We were 3 for 3 on home runs today that I mentioned over at the Discord. If that's something that interests you, we're 100 plus members already over at the Discord. The link is down below, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses, even when the market is falling, right? We've been doing it for a month and a half now, and we're going to continue to aim and strive for that. Just because I'm watching these ticker symbols doesn't mean you need to watch them or act upon them. But if you want to know what I'm watching weekly and daily, you're more than welcome to join us, and we look forward to having you join us. So let's go ahead and look at this. So I went ahead and talked about COCP. It was sitting at 170, and this one went over 100% plus on the day, okay? Almost 160% at one point, but since I mentioned it, like around 120% plus. Now HBP, keep messing up on saying that. This one gave us 20% plus, and BLRX gave us almost 20 to 30% as well. So these were all 20% gainers. So they were all home runs on a regular day, 5 to 10%. Great day, 10 to 20, and 20% plus is home runs. So we went 3 for 3 on this one, but COCP was pretty phenomenal movement today, and here we are. So when I mentioned it, it was in the pre-market. It pulled back a little bit more, sitting at around 153 at the low, and it ran all the way up to 344. So highest point of the day was 100% plus on the day. This is one of the largest movers in a single day that we've caught since I started the Discord and Patreon. Now, we typically try to look for 5 to 10% realistically. Anything beyond that is awesome. We won't guarantee or even guarantee the 5 to 10%, but anything beyond 10% is not guaranteed every single time. But that's what we look for. And those opportunities present themselves from time to time or several times in the week, depending on how momentum is. But this one right here was phenomenal, and the other two gave us 20% plus. So if you look up these two other ticker symbols from the points when I mentioned them, one was at 497 and HBP was at 510. It pulled back a little bit more and then it started to run. You will see for yourself the movement and how it went. So if it's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us, and we look forward to having you join us. We have collectively a great group of investors, all smart and intelligent, striving for the same goal, and you can become part of that too. So Nndm is actually sitting kind of sideways through all this fluctuation of volatility, and even basically back to a sideways location after the dip and brought itself back up. So that's pretty good sign for Nndm, but could it hold itself up? I think those are some of the biggest questions right now as an investor. Could this return here of U-turn almost hold itself up, or will it dissipate? So the lowest point reached is in 0.662. We're just 30 cents away from that, basically, give or take. So 662 is a point to keep in mind moving forward. And if it gets broken through, this could be on its way down to newer lows. And the 50-day moving average is 688. Anything below that is bearish. Anything above that is bullish. So what's our first support level to watch? Well, before this run continued, right here, a little bit below the 50-day moving average, is 688 as well, to the hundreds and thousands place. So overall, the 50-day moving average and support are one together, and it's very important to watch this. Now, if that gets broken through, the next point of reference down here at 684, I'd watch that very carefully as well. But if I change this over here to the 30-minute chart frame, which is the one I usually use, you can see that we are in bearish territory, guys. So those are some important points, very narrowed in. But at the end of the day, we want to keep in mind down here 662, and the highest point reached in the day, 698. So keep in mind 688, keep in mind obviously 682, 84, to keep things very narrowed in. But Down here at 662, super important, and our highest point here is 698. That needs to be broken through to go back up to newer highs and new resistance levels. And the 50-day moving average exactly here on the 30-minute is 712. So you can see here on the 1 minute, it's a little bit different to the lower end. And right now, if you look at it from the 1 minute and that does get crossed, there's a lot of weakness in the stock. So keep that in mind and watch it carefully. But on the 30-minute, it is significantly important for the bulls to break through 712 to get back into bullish territory. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to smash the like button to let me know you watch this video. Stay tuned on in for all the other videos that are to come. I'm going to post videos for the rest of the night. I got a few other ones in mind, so stay tuned for that. And if you're interested in joining us, the links are down below in the description. You can check it out. The slots are filling up pretty quickly.